We're working on the first challenge in breaking loops. This says complete the contains even function, which checks a given list of integers, checking if it contains any even numbers. This asks us to not iterate over the entire list if we can avoid it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we know that we can go ahead and it says that we're going to return a Boolean called evens. So let's go ahead and declare a Boolean to get things started. And let's just assume that it's going to be false until we find otherwise. And then let's iterate through our numbers in our list using a for loop for num in list. Let's say if our number is evenly divisible by 2, that is the modulo division of 2 is equal to 0, then we are going to want to say that this number is even. And then our Boolean should be switched to true. Now, the entire point of this exercise is to use the break statement. This is telling me do not iterate over the entire list if you can avoid it. And in fact, it's only asking if there is any even numbers, not if there's more than 1 or 3 or whatever. It's only checking if there is at least one even number. If this if condition is found, I know there will be at least one even number, so there is no need for me to continue the for loop. I can just simply go ahead and break there. And then if we imagine, if we never find an even number, we'll go all the way through the entire list. Evens will remain at false. So in the end, I can simply do a return of evens here. And I will give a zoom in just to make sure that everyone can see this nice and clear. Before I run my test, go ahead and give that a run, and I can see that solution is correct.